This is me singing Home by Westlife. Another summer day has come and gone away in Paris and Rome. I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people high, but still alone. I wanna go home. I miss you, you know. And I keeping all the letters that I wrote to you. Each one a line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? And I know that it's just not enough. The words were cold and flat, and you deserve more than that. Another airplane, another sunny place. I'm lucky I know him, but I wanna go home. I've got to go home. I'm just too far from where you are. I've got to come home. Let me come home. I've had my run, baby, I'm done. I wanna come home. And I feel just like I'm living someone else's life. It's like I just stepped outside when everything was going right. And I know just why you could not come along with me. Cause this was not your dream, but you always believed in me. Another winter's day has come and gone away, and neither Paris or Rome. And I wanna go home, I miss you, you know. Let me go home. I've had my run, baby, I'm done. I wanna go home.